adorable t-shirts, stylish hoodies, and cozy baby one-pieces. Welcome to MAKCOLORS, where creativity meets colour. MAKCOLORS is a vibrant shop filled with personality and playful charm, offering a colourful collection of customizable products for kids, teens, and the young at heart. From beautiful decorative cushions to fun and functional kids stationery, we've got you covered. Whether you're on the hunt for a superhero wall clock to brighten your son's bedroom, a cool drawstring bag, festive Easter shower curtains, or a quirky baseball cap for your geeky friend, there's something unique for everyone and every occasion. MAKCOLORS, where imagination comes to life in every product. Visit our store now on Redbubble and discover your next favourite find.